Struggling to find the Testimonial widget in Elementor? In under 3 minutes, you'll add a polished testimonial with image, name, and custom styling. We'll start by opening the home page in Elementor, then navigate through General to the Testimonial widget. After that, we'll adjust content, image, and layout settings. First, go to Edit Home with Elementor to get started. Then click on the highlight to select that element. Now, click on the General tab to open the widget's settings. Then click on General again to see the rest of the options. From there, click on Testimonial to add that widget to your page. With the testimonial added, click on Content to begin customizing it. Then click on Choose Image to pick an image for the testimonial. Now click on Image Resolution to choose an appropriate size. Next, click on Name to select that field. Then click on Title to enter the primary heading. Click on Title again for the second title line.
Now, click on Link to add any relevant link.
And then click on Image Position to adjust where the image sits. After that, click on Alignment to set how everything is aligned. Now click on Style to tweak the appearance. Finally, click on Advanced for extra settings, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.